The main principle of the Motua is loving God. Shivedoya, Nameruchi, Manushinistha. That means loving all beings. They have the founder, they have own belief systems, they have their own religious books, but they actually, in a sense, religious. Many followers don't want to say they are not Hindu. Some of the followers of Motua don't proclaim themselves as a separate religions. The Motua community, there are about 30 million followers in Bangladesh, India, especially in India, West Bengal, North Bengal, and Madhya Pradesh, and Andaman and some part of India. The founder, Harichand Thakur, was born in the time in India was very severe on the caste system, child marriage, and also the widow marriage. At the same time, there was very suffering for the Sati Daha Pratha. Because of child marriage, generally, husband was very age difference, and they generally died before of the wife. And of the time, wife was the burned in the Shashan with the husband. This is the called Sati Daha Pratha. Sri Harichand was born in a lower caste family. Of the time, lower caste family, especially Hindu lower caste family, could not go to school. So he could not enter in the institutional school. But as his father and mother was the Bairagi, one kind of religious leader, so he learned from the family about the Hinduisms and Buddhisms. At the same time, by visiting many places, he learned and self-taught knowledge from the nature. Motua followers believe him as an avatar, incarnation of God. And some people believe he was the incarnation of the Chaitanya Dev. Chaitanya Dev was the incarnation of Krishna. Most of the followers believe he was the incarnation of Vishnu, Hindu creator. Anyway, they don't believe on the Vedic ritual. They believe on the heartistic religions. They love very much the Kirtans. Through the Kirtans, they try to unite with the God in the Hari. During Kirtans, they use many types of Indian musical instruments like Gadanga, Shankha, Kashar, and Shinga. During Kirtan, some people become senseless. This senseless time, people don't believe it is the bad. They feel it is the blessing from the God. Because of God's unity and God's coming to the body, he or she become enlightened and united with God. So purified. And they believe through the purification of mind and body, any person can be united with God and get the God touch of God. Motua believe on the equality of the man and women. Men and women both can be their religious leader Gusai in the age of 65. After his leaving this world, earthly world, his younger son, Guru Chand Thakur, take care of his father's movement and expand this movement and established many temples in India and Bangladesh and some other country also. The headquarters situated in the birthplace of the Harichand Thakur in Oraukandi. In the birthday of the Harichand Thakur, in Oraukandi, there is held a big festival, which is named Hori Festival. Of that time, followers in Oraukandi come and offer themselves to God and respect their founder. This is one kind of religious festival one kind of pilgrim. They don't hate other religions. And also they don't believe on the Stoicism. They believe on the family values and they make family, but not polygamy, monogamy. They don't steal, don't take any kinds of drug, and they always take care their purity, mind and body. Their main belief through the mind, body, purity and unity with God, one person can accomplish responsibility as a son of God or children of God.